born and raised in a town called Ijebuode. I saw poverty firsthand. I saw the grit of men and women especially. My mother was jumping 6 jobs at the same time. There was this property she took for boarding facility. It harvest. At the moment we have 30,000 US users. But we're looking at getting to one. Yeah, we use it for food. We use it for deposit, transfer, withdraw, online. Funding the gender economy is not a gender conversation. It's an economic imperative. Especially about analytics and also we get consideration about we're able to implement and deploy. Money is an income.
Hmm?